Is your MGZS infotainment system not turning on? Start by checking the car battery voltage. Next, check the infotainment system's fuse, typically a 10A fuse in the dashboard or engine bay fuse box, positions 15 to 20. A blown fuse shows a break in the internal wire and interrupts power. Replace it if needed. Software glitches can cause startup failures. MG has released OTA updates, so ensure your system is up to date via the MG app. If software isn't the issue and fuses are fine, move on to a full battery reset. A battery reset often resolves software hangs in the MGZS infotainment system. Disconnect the car battery's negative terminal for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears the system's cache, acting as a full reboot without data loss. After reconnecting, the infotainment system should restart. If problems persist after these steps, more complex issues may exist. Consider contacting your local MG certified dealership for a more comprehensive diagnostic.